let's go ahead and move on to close reading. Alright, in close reading, we're going to accomplish two steps. First, we're going to review the thesis statement and main ideas. Okay, and from that, we're going to discuss some of the major details regarding one of the main ideas. Okay, so let's move on to step one. First of all, Jason, what is our topic today?
Controversies surrounding CCTV surveillance.
Very good. When we talk about controversies, are we looking at the positive things surrounding controversies or the negatives? Michael?
The negatives.
Very good. And what was our first controversy? Let's go ahead and go down to paragraph 2. We discussed this earlier. Jason, what did you highlight down there?
It violates the civil liberties of citizens.
Very good. So I'm just going to underline that. Civil liberties. Michael, can you tell me, civil liberties, what's another word for liberties we discussed earlier?
Like freedom.
Very good. Now that we've identified the main idea of paragraph 2, let's go ahead and discuss a little bit about it. Okay. Now, in this paragraph, Jason, the author actually gives us an example to explain these civil liberties. He talks about a book. What book was that he discussed?
1984.
Good. Michael, have you read this book before?
No.
No, okay. I'm going to just give you a quick summary. This book was written by a guy named George Orwell, but this book was written way before technology. And to show you this, I want to show you a quick video of his book. Alright, in this video they're going to talk about a big brother. Okay, and I want to ask you, why does he want to watch you? This guy named Big Brother. So, while you're watching, go ahead and listen for Big Brother. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look.
1984 takes place in London. The London in the book is a depressing place. There's never enough to eat.
So now that we have watched this video, let's go ahead and discuss it a little bit. In this video, Jason, who was Big Brother?
The government.
And why do they call him Big Brother, Michael?
He was always watching.
Very good. How does this relate to today's reading, Jason?
That's a problem with CCTVs.
Very good, okay? Now, I want you guys to picture this. You are Big Brother. You are Korea's government. And you're going to watch your people. Okay? Now, if people break the law, you're going to punish them. Okay? So, take a look at this media card. There we go. And I would like you to go ahead and take a minute. What kind of actions would you say is breaking the law? Okay, who's ever been in a car on the freeway? Okay, do you guys have a car?
No.
Oh,
My
you don't have a
parents
car.
do.
Your parents have a
Parents do.
car. When you're driving on the freeway, okay, what do you see overhead watching your driving?
CCTVs.
Good. When you break the law, what happens?
They take a picture.
And
You get
how
a
do they use this
ticket.
picture? You get a ticket. Today, you're going to find who's breaking the law, okay, and you're going to send them a ticket. What kind of actions would be considered breaking the law in public? Go ahead and write 2 of them down. Go. Okay, make sure you put submit. Alright, let's go and see what kind of answers you guys came up with. I'm going to put view result. Alright, student 2. I'm assuming you're student 2.
I'm student 2.
Oh, you're student 2. Okay, what would you say is an action that would be breaking your law as Big Brother?
Punching someone in the face.
Oh, very good. And what would you do if you saw
will
that?
Punish the person who punched.
Okay, Jason, what was one of your laws?
Stealing.
Stealing, what would you do as punishment?
I would put them in jail.
Ah, okay. So look at Jason here. Would you trust him to be your Big Brother, your government?
Yeah.
Would you like to be put in jail?
If I did
For
something
stealing?
bad.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, but now, one interesting thing, the reading passage also talks about why we should not trust Big Brothers. Take a look at this picture. This is CCTV quality. Is it clear?
No.
Not very
Not
clear,
very.
okay? One of them is a bad guy. Okay? Michael, as a Big Brother, who would be the first person that you would watch? Go ahead and circle it and put submit. I'm curious. Jason, why don't you do the same? As a Big Brother, who would be the first person you would target on this list? Let's go ahead and take a look. Oh my goodness! Okay, Jason, you put over here this man. Why did you circle that man?
Teacher, he's not smiling.
Okay,
He looks angry.
Michael, is this fair that he targeted this guy?
Not very fair.
So, should we have Big Brother in society?
No.